Question number 1. What is the significance of Holi? Options are A. It marks the victory of good over evil. B. It is a festival of lights. C. It celebrates the monsoon season. D. It is a festival of fasting. Right answer is A. It marks the victory of good over evil. Question number 2. Holi is primarily celebrated in which country? Options are A. Nepal. B. India. C. Bangladesh. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 3. The legend of Holika Dahan is associated with which Hindu deity? Options are A. Lord Vishnu. B. Lord Shiva. C. Lord Krishna. D. Lord Rama. Right answer is A. Lord Vishnu. Question number 4. Which demoness tried to kill Prahlad? Options are A. Surpankha. B. Putna. C. Holika. D. Mandodari. Right answer is C. Holika. Question number 5. What is the night before Holi called? Options are A. Diwali. B. Navratri. C. Holika Dahan. D. Baisakhi. Right answer is C. Holika Dahan. Question number 6. What is the traditional drink consumed during Holi? Options are A. Lassi. B. Thandai. C. Chai. D. Kanji. Right answer is B. Thandai. Question number 7. The intoxicating ingredient often mixed in Holi drinks is? Options are A. Tulsi. B. Bhang. C. Saffron. D. Clove. Right answer is B. Bhang. Question number 8. Holi is also known as the festival of? Options are A. Lights. B. Colors. C. Harvest. D. Dance. Right answer is B. Colors. Question number 9. The famous Holi festival in Barsana is called? Options are A. Rangotsav. B. Latmar Holi. C. Basant Holi. D. Choti Holi. Right answer is B. Latmar Holi. Question number 10. Latmar Holi is played in which two towns of Uttar Pradesh? Options are A. Mathura and Agra. B. Barsana and Nandgaon. C. Lucknow and Kanpur. D. Varanasi and Prayagraj. Right answer is B. Barsana and Nandgaon. Question number 11. Holi is celebrated in which Hindu month? Options are A. Chaitra. B. Magha. C. Falguna. D. Bhadrapada. Right answer is C. Falguna. Question number 12. Holi is celebrated after which full moon? Options are A. Makar Sankranti. B. Purnima of Falguna. C. Amavasya of Chaitra. D. Sharad Purnima. Right answer is B. Purnima of Falguna. Question number 13. Holi celebrations in Mathura and Vrindavan are associated with which deity? Options are A. Lord Vishnu. B. Lord Shiva. C. Lord Krishna. D. Lord Hanuman. Right answer is C. Lord Krishna. Question number 14. What is the name of the colored powders used during Holi? Options are A. Abir. B. Haldi. C. Sindoor. D. Chandan. Right answer is A. Abir. Question number 15. What is the name of the traditional Holi song? Options are A. Rang Barse. B. Balam Pichkari. C. Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. D. Ghumar. Right answer is A. Rang Barse. Question number 16. Which state celebrates Yaosang, a version of Holi? Options are A. Rajasthan. B. Manipur. C. Kerala. D. Punjab. Right answer is B. Manipur. Question number 17. What is the main sweet dish prepared during Holi? Options are A. Kaju Katli. B. Jalebi. C. Gujia. D. Modak. Right answer is C. Gujia. Question number 18. The term Fagua for Holi is used in which country? Options are A. Nepal. B. Bangladesh. C. Guyana. D. Sri Lanka. Right answer is C. Guyana. Question number 19. The festival of Holi is mentioned in which ancient Hindu text? Options are A. Rig Veda, B. Bhagavata Purana, C. Ramayana, D. Mahabharata. Right answer is B. Bhagavata Purana. Question number 20. What is the traditional water gun used during Holi called? Options are A. Pichkari, B. Gulil, C. Danda, D. Chakra. Right answer is A. Pichkari. Question number 21. Holi is also a harvest festival for which crop? Options are A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Barley, D. Sugarcane. Right answer is B. Wheat. Question number 22. Which Mughal emperor participated in Holi celebrations? Options are A. Akbar, B. Aurangzeb, C. Babur, D. Shah Jahan. Right answer is A. Akbar. Question number 23. In which Indian state is Dol Jatra celebrated during Holi? Options are A. Gujarat, B. West Bengal, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra. Right answer is B. West Bengal. Question number 24. What is the name of Holi in Punjab? Options are A. Hola Mohalla, B. Rongali Bihu, C. Ugadi, D. Baisakhi. Right answer is A. Hola Mohalla. Question number 25. Holi is celebrated in which season? Options are A. Summer, B. Spring, C. Winter, D. Monsoon. Right answer is B. Spring. Question number 26. Holi celebrations in Shantiniketan were inspired by which famous personality? Options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Swami Vivekanand, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Right answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 27. Holi is a two-day festival. What is the first day called? Options are A. Rangwali Holi, B. Holika Dahan, C. Basant Panchami, D. Dashera. Right answer is B. Holika Dahan. Question number 28. Which element is burned in Holika Dahan? Options are A. Paper, B. Firewood and dung cakes, C. Plastic, D. Flowers. Right answer is B. Firewood and dung cakes. Question number 29. The custom of breaking buttermilk pots is associated with which place? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Punjab, C. Assam, D. Kerala. Right answer is A. Maharashtra. Question number 30. Which of these Bollywood movies features Holi celebrations? Options are A. Sholay, B. Mughal Azam, C. Bahubali, D. Tumbad. Right answer is A. Sholay. Question number 31. What does the bonfire in Holika Dahan symbolize? Options are A. The arrival of winter, B. The defeat of Holika and evil forces, C. The beginning of Navratri, D. The burning of Ravana. Right answer is B. The defeat of Holika and evil forces. Question number 32. In which Indian city is the biggest Holi celebration held at Banke Bihari Temple? Options are A. Ayodhya, B. Varanasi, C. Mathura, D. Ujjain. Right answer is C. Mathura. Question number 33. What is the name of the Holi celebration in Bihar? Options are A. Fagwa, B. Dola Purnima, C. Basant Utsav, D. Rang Panchami. Right answer is A. Fagwa. Question number 34. Holi marks the end of which Hindu month? Options are A. Kartik, B. Magha, C. Falguna, D. Ashwin. Right answer is C. Falguna. Question number 35. Which Hindu epic mentions Holi as a festival? Options are A. Ramayana, B. Mahabharata, C. Bhagavad Gita, D. Upanishads. Right answer is B. Mahabharata. Question number 36. The tradition of playing Holi with colors started in which Hindu deity's town? Options are A. Lord Rama's Ayodhya. B. Lord Krishna's Vrindavan. C. Lord Vishnu's Vaikuntha. D. Lord Shiva's Kailash. Right answer is B. Lord Krishna's Vrindavan. Question number 37. The celebration of Holi in South India is known as. Options are A. Dhulandi. B. Kamdahana. C. Latmar Holi. D. Hola Mohalla. Right answer is B. Kamdahana. Question number 38. What do people traditionally apply on elders' feet as a mark of respect during Holi? Options are A. Gulal. B. Kumkum. C. Sandalwood paste. D. Water. Right answer is A. Gulal. Question number 39. In which Indian state is Holi known as Shigmo? Options are A. Kerala. B. Gujarat. C. Goa. D. Rajasthan. Right answer is C. Goa. Question number 40. Which of the following Hindu gods is associated with the origins of Holi? Options are A. Lord Shiva. B. Lord Krishna. C. Lord Hanuman. D. Lord Ganesha. Right answer is B. Lord Krishna. Question number 41. What does the term Dhulandi refer to in Holi celebrations? Options are A. Playing with dry colors. B. Applying turmeric paste. C. Burning of Holika. D. Dancing and singing. Right answer is A. Playing with dry colors. Question number 42. The festival of Holi coincides with which Sikh festival? Options are A. Guru Nanak Jayanti. B. Baisakhi. C. Hola Mohalla. D. Maghi. Right answer is C. Hola Mohalla. Question number 43. Which traditional folk dance is performed during Holi in Rajasthan? Options are A. Ghumar. B. Bihu. C. Kathkali. D. Lavani. Right answer is A. Ghumar. Question number 44. What is the common greeting during Holi? Options are A. Happy Diwali. B. Jai Shri Krishna. C. Holi hai. D. Ram Ram. Right answer is C. Holi hai. Question number 45. The throwing of colors during Holi represents? Options are A. Victory over darkness. B. Celebration of harvest. C. Unity and brotherhood. D. Change of seasons. Right answer is C. Unity and brotherhood. Question number 46. What is the famous song from the Bollywood movie Sholay that celebrates Holi? Options are A. Balam Pichkari. B. Holi ke din. C. Rang Barse. D. Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. Right answer is B. Holi ke din. Question number 47. Which community celebrates Holi with flowers in Vrindavan? Options are A. The TR1 Bilis of Jharkhand. B. The widows of Vrindavan. C. The farmers of Punjab. D. The artists of Kolkata. Right answer is B. The widows of Vrindavan. Question number 48. What color is considered sacred and commonly used in Holi? Options are A. Blue. B. Green. C. Red. D. White. Right answer is C. Red. Question number 49. In which year was Holi recognized as a public holiday by the United Nations? Options are A. 2015. B. 2019. C. 2021. D. It is not officially recognized. Right answer is D. It is not officially recognized. Question number 50. What is the main reason for celebrating Holi? Options are A. To welcome summer. B. To mark the Hindu New Year. C. To celebrate the victory of good over evil. D. To honor Mahatma Gandhi. Right answer is C. To celebrate the victory of good over evil.